You can easily add guidelines in many other tool modes by clicking and dragging them from either of the rulers on the sides of the workspace. By dragging from the left top corner, you can create a quick guideline at a 45-degree angle. If you click on the newly created guideline, you can click and drag to change its rotation. If you have selected objects in the work area, you can easily place guidelines at the edges by double-clicking on the rulers. The top ruler will place guidelines above and below. Press Shift when you click to only place a guideline at the top, and Ctrl to place one at the bottom of the selected graphics. The left ruler will place guidelines to the left and right. You can use the Shift and Ctrl keys to place the guidelines only to the left or to the right. Double-clicking in the top left corner of the rulers will place guidelines on all sides. To place guidelines in the center of the selected graphics, you press both Ctrl and Shift when you double-click the rulers. You can easily remove all guidelines by double-clicking in the top right end of the ruler.